Got a pretty clean condition on the day. However, we don't have news on the day. So I will be definitely taking this lightly on Fridays. Most people are, leading towards tilt. Right now we're delivering on this until 15-minute gap of a series of 13-minute gaps. If you would double check. Yeah, we tap this gap right now. Tap CE on ES. So we're gonna have to just dump out of market open. I'm not gonna wait for our further manipulation. As soon as we get inversion to the downside, out of market open, you can definitely take it, but we're just running through this 15 minutes, which we're doing right now. A long setup might be presented. If we're gonna open a 5 minute, think about right here. You're gonna have like a manipulation 5 minute gap, but market opening, it's really nice. It's just like gonna be like clear long toward buy side. I never take like as soon as this the inverse on the market open. I wait for a manipulation, then enter on a 1 minute 36. Currently, we're just not really much reacting this 15 minute, hence we might definitely be going towards this hour into be high and nothing close 4 hour gap. But I want to see some sort of manipulation in July. It's very long setup towards this LR. Say, bro, could have taken an earlier entry. I never take that. Even if you do, you gotta go break even. I mean, you're already in break even right now. I mean, we're banking, but it doesn't work that way. So I just see how the market opens though. Just manipulate this buy side go lower, but central 4 hour gap is definitely strong draw. Really, really strong draw with you. It's also stretching high. I want to see some sort of like until 5 minute retrace after you. How much still out here? Shorts aren't really that ideal, but I can see working. Just gotta go break even on the until 5 minute, but looking pretty bullish. So inversion here isn't high, that's high probability. That's not even gonna inverse. It does inverse, but it just ran through. Alright, I guess that's how it worked out. Already tapped the 5 minutes, so no more shorts here. It's just longs from here. Short term looks pretty good, but we're already in the 5 minute. Ah, looks like a reversal to me. Look at that. 2926, 29275. Yeah, I'm gonna just chill out, yeah. Nothing really clear yet. I mean, this 30 minute get inverse on ES. I'm only gonna take shorts if we inverse this 5 minutes to the downside. That's the only time I'm gonna take this short. Not like this. Boom, boom. But I'm definitely leading towards longs. Longs are a lot more obvious here. Seems like the 5 minute would increase. The 1 minute right now is barely inversing. But yeah, I'm waiting for this 5 minute. This 5 minute inverse is short. where I'm taking it. Close in the next few seconds. I'm hopping in. 40 points. That's really pretty good already. Yeah, I'm just going 1 minute here. We simultaneously inverse 2 minutes. We already actually inverted 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Let's see if this 5 minute would invert on the yes. In the next 8 seconds, I don't think so. Oh, this is definitely long. Got him live there. We got 30-second inverse. I don't even know what's my stop loss on this 29188. 30 seconds is filling. Damn. The rejection on that 5 minute looks so good. Oh yeah, I'm up there. The 5 minute inverse here. Oh, it also failed to inverse. I'm gonna go break even here. Actually, I don't want to be in this trade no more. That's, you know me, guys. I don't take like top up like that. It's really low probability for it to work. Because if it will work, it should just be flushing already. Oh, the limit. If it works, works. Actually, I had a pretty lovely fill there, but um, I just don't really want to be in that trade no more. Thankfully, my fill was pretty good. Because that, bro, the rejection here was so good. You can see here, it did close on CE, but on NQ, it didn't even close, bro. And here, yeah, I told you, I would be stopped out there better. So, yeah, the 3 minute closed lower. So, if you're looking for shorts, guys, that's a signal. Could be wrong here. That's why we could definitely anticipate shorts, maybe. All right, shorts printed. But this 3 minute close here, that inverse, this one held pretty decent power. If any of y'all take this had a pretty decent power, and that's why I went on break even there. I just don't want to be in that trade anymore. It was really clear longs. Then suddenly it just flips, not clear no more. So mhm. You know what? We're mark this out. But long just look better. 50 minute inverse. 5 minute was respected at this time, but definitely 3 minutes held a lot better power. It flopped in here. Yeah, definitely banking. Or you would get stopped out. Oh no no no. But I think the fill was on this candle, whatever. So I'm gonna just fill out right now. Sell side liquidity is definitely still intact. It's definitely a decent drawn liquidity for me to still target. Seeing how this 5 minute, would probably inverse this. Yeah, this will definitely take shorts like this towards that low. Yeah, let's see if we can get a short here. I want to limit it. Because we can literally inverse this, but we're adding the sell side liquidity. But this one looks so good, guys. Call it a pattern trade. But this thing is in a bank. Oh my god. Yeah, that one's banking. Oh my god. I'm not gonna hop in there definitely. I mean, you can definitely hop in like this. But my stop loss to be down here. I don't know what it tried to change there. I guess the first people who shorted here, and now we're gonna have a short setup for this low. That could be a case. Yeah, we can have an inverse in 2 seconds. I did an inverse, alright. Inverse on ES, let's see if we can have a decent fill here. Our stop loss would be at 2,900. Not closing how I wanted to be. I don't know why we're hedging the sell side. It's literally a 5 minute inversion to the downside, a 3 minute inversion to the downside to support this. But this long, I mean, this one right here still looks pretty good. Bro, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna have the entry. Alright, the 15 second is inverse. I'll get an entry here. What is that edge? Wow. So the initial long here, obviously, easy B on that one. Then this one right here just stop rated me. Buy at 6, dog. Like seriously, it's how did that bro? It stopped rating me like at 6. Like I entered like with a limit. I entered with a limit here, and bro, my stop loss was literally. I'm gonna go actually control V this. Want to see where my stops were actually located at. Because this was just definitely. Well, my stops on 29204, and the wick went up to 29205. Stop me out. Maybe if I raise my stops a little higher, like towards just 29216, but obviously that's a little bit over it. But this thing would seriously bank. This would be a serious bankroll. It would be a serious bankroll. And I think the longs are just printing right now. I'll be taking this on paper. So my side is definitely not in the greatest shape right now, but at least I was able to mitigate it at least. I was already slapped a limit order here, if possible. Yeah, stop a limit here. I think this would close decently. There you go. I'll definitely get filled here, right? If I don't, that's something not good. They're going fill. So I'm gonna just review my trade earlier. I had 3 trades today. Um, definitely not something I'm proud of, but it's within my rules. Yeah, two two trades max, but this right here kind of disregarded as a trade. It was it was pretty clean in my opinion, but I definitely went out fairly early because it's not reacting how I wanted it to be. So this is kind of like a disregarded trade. This short right here definitely played around with my psyche a bit because if I was just here, had the same had the same exact risk, I think where was my fill? All right, let's actually look at this. I got filled at 29184.75. So 29184.75. Let's put that in. It's quite hard. Just say it's like that, 29184.5 with my stops here at 29204.5 initially. Is this really gonna get stop rated again? I'm just gonna put my stops here. Anyways, that's like my stops. I was risking under 2% here. I literally got top ticks to the tick, bro. If I didn't get top ticks, my tick profit would be here, and I'm easily banking a pretty nice day. Let's say that, at least, worst case scenario, I'm banking 1.6K. Then I got top ticks because if I didn't get top ticks here, I would have gone. Um, I think this one's really gonna reverse. We're generating just more liquidity. Break it with my stop loss here. Um, anyways, going back, I got top tick literally by a tick because my stop loss was just 1 point earlier, and then I literally got stopped out there. It was really valid. I was looking actually in the 15-second time frame, and the 15-second just poof took this inversion. Um, I should have had a bigger stop, maybe on the 29218, which was what 29. Oh, I think that's a different 57 inverse. What time was this? 9:43. 9:43. So it's like this was that. Yeah, 29213 was pretty high. It's the inverse I took was this. Yeah, or maybe yeah, 29213 would definitely be good enough. But my stops were at 29204, and I got top tip and definitely lost on this one. Because if that didn't happen, I would have been banking this pretty good day. But really unfortunate that one. It didn't definitely go as planned. If you take this high, I'm gonna go break even in this trade. Definitely go break even on this trade. Anyways, going back, that top tick definitely got pretty mad about it. I'm not gonna lie on that. But I was trying to handle my emotions. But when I saw that flip here, the 30 minutes has he just hopped in with another 1 minute, but with a limit just to get the best fill. So I had here a fill at 29177, 29177. Got 29177. My stops were I think here at 31.25. TP here. So it's kind of like that. Actually, not like that, guys. It's more like this. Really, really tight stop. And then as soon as we're in profits, I was just going to break even at the one or more. Anyways, let's go and break even in this trade. Or at least I want to close. Yeah, that's a really strong candle. Really strong candle on that one. So I think this trade would bank roll. If you didn't take this is like a bank roll trade. Started 6 points. If I did take this, oh, if I limit order here, that was a bank roll. Definitely. Let's actually look at ES and where ES is at. All right, and keeps beating. So no need to worry about S&Ps. I'm just gonna let this trade be targeting that 930 wick. But it can definitely go a lot higher. I'll see where you want to put your TP at. But that works for me. Anyways, going back, welcome to second trade. But I saw a re-entry in the 30-minute CS. The trade idea is still there. This is just what is, the downside. It's slightly riskier. You have a tighter stops, but it's like later, bro. So my friend just called there. Anyways, this was definitely a um pretty domestic day, I would say. Um, it's a losing day, but it's not really that big. It's fine. At least I got, a glimpse on how it managed its funded. Um, reduced down my loss in the day, but not really that proud of it. I don't really can't see like actual on orders whatsoever. But yeah, um, two minis on that short could really be a freak of nature of a day, but it is what it is. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. It's definitely a journal worthy day. So peace out, yo.